After 11 hours, I just landed. So I just got out the airport. It's kind of creepy in there. I feel like everybody's just like blah. I don't know if you can see my breath, but it's that brick out here. Right now I'm gonna go catch an Uber to my hotel. Alright guys, so getting an Uber here is like crazy. I lost Wi-Fi as soon as I came out. Alright guys, this is the airport. Pretty dope. Your boy is trying to get this Uber. I don't know how I'm gonna get it. He's like kind of lost. I'm lost. I texted him though, so hopefully he told me to meet him up at P1, P2 table, white table, whatever the case may be. So I'm walking over there right now. Thank you. Have a good day. What's going on, everybody? It's April 1st and your boy is in Moscow, Russia. Today I didn't really plan much. Every time I go somewhere I normally check out the place, like especially my surroundings and whatnot. It's ugly outside. It's a lot of snow going on. It's a lot of cool places to take pictures and whatnot, especially because it's empty. I don't know if it's because it's Sunday or whatnot. So yeah, basically that's my day. Just check around the area, see what supermarkets I got. I'm a big fan of supermarkets, local supermarkets. Especially if you're traveling on a budget, it's the best thing to do. Um, So how cool is that? It's right across from a hotel. I didn't even plan it like that. I just found a good hotel price and this what came with it. Right across the street, I guess. Pretty dope. You know what I love about architecture like this? It's just because it's creative. It's just random. It's not, you know, it wasn't planned out to be this blue or that green or whatever the case may be. You know what I mean? There's something I do want to mention. I set myself up. Well, I didn't really set myself up. It's just the fact that everything here is like literally Russian. I can't read. I can't read nothing. Like, I'm gonna give you an example right now. Like, can y'all read that? Can y'all read that right there? They have some like alien type of words. Like literally everything's backwards. There's a 3 there, right? But it stands for a letter. And guys, look what I found. I found a Russian Wolverine. How cool is this though? Yo, tell me that's not dope. Got the X-Men belt right here. And guys, this is so dope. It's like a park, it's like a human, it's like an adult park basically. How dope is that? Can I even walk in? This is the problem. See, I don't even know if I can walk in or not. Can I? I don't know, but I'm gonna try to go in. If I get kicked out, right? I mean, what's the worst that could happen? Damn, you could go all the way to the top. This is so dope. Let's keep going. Look at that view, guys. It's like a little city over here. How cool is that? See guys, ladies and gentlemen, I would love to tell you the name of this place, but I have to do my research just because I have no clue what it says on the title thing when you come in. So it's all Russian. There is an information section down there, which I might check out, but who knows? It is Sunday though, so it's starting to get a little bit late. So I'm gonna walk around, get more footage, maybe come back tomorrow, and we'll see what we have here. Things like this, where it says gingerbread, makes me want to just go in. See that right there? I could read that. But all of this, no, I can't read this. Oh snap, guess what I found? I found an Adidas, Reebok, Puma outlet, you could say. Most likely it's closed right now, but let's go check it out. Let's see if they got any exclusive. Maybe they got the 4Ds, you heard? Look at this ugly snow right here. Alright, so I'm at it's like a little mall, you could say. We're gonna look for these stores and whatnot. Another Adidas store, let's see what they got. Oh wait, that's Gucci. Anybody want Gucci? Found the Adidas store. Alright guys, I'm leaving the mall. I didn't find anything interesting, anything that I wanted. It was basically an outlet, so they have like sale They have Ultra. They had Ultra Boost in the Adidas store. They had Ultra Boost and some clearance stuff, but nothing to go crazy about. And the price is about the same thing. So. Alright, I'm just kidding, guys. So I just got back to my hotel room not so long ago. It's 11 o'clock over here. Most likely it's like 4 p.m. in New York. As the night gets colder in Russia, it just gets freaking cold. I guess that wind started blowing out of nowhere. Like in the morning, it wasn't that windy, but like in the night, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm editing this video as you can see right now. Pretty dope. I'll post it around 5 o'clock, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for the rest of the week. I got certain plans. I'm definitely going to hit up the city during the week. Like the actual city where St. Basil is at, the Red Square. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Maybe leave a comment and whatnot. Your boy's about to sign off real quick. So I'll catch you on the next video. You already know. Escobar Jr. season all year long.